that thing, you can hear us on KRLD.
Okay, today is
anywhere you wanna hear
9/14,
us.
September
Traffic and
21,
weather
2017.
together on the 8th coming up next.
And we're going to look at a SANYO M
holiday party is a truly prime experience.
9922. Okay, so here we go.
Everyone
Got the
will
battery
love it.
back.
Book now and receive a $100
Take 60
gift card.
batteries.
Unforgettable
Okay.
steak, uncompromising service.
It's like this on top and the back. Okay. And here we've got, well, it's got mics left and right, no control holes. It's got a line in, and it has external speakers and a full-size headphone jack. Okay. Then that's the front. It's playing on AM. Okay. So the AC goes in. There's no DC port. Okay. And on the top, it's got volume. Looks like it's a double, but it's just a single volume. Okay. We have a balance, AM, FM, your standard buttons. And over here we have a stereo mono timer, which you sleep for however long the tape is. Put a 60-minute tape in, 30 minutes aside, it'll play for 30 minutes, put this switch in this position, and then when it cuts off, the radio cuts off. So that's how that works. Okay. And, okay, so then let's see here. So now, FM is, turn the volume. Let's see here, volume. Was plugged in, right? Yeah, well. Was working a second ago. Who knows? What, did I kick? I didn't. It's plugged in. Well, it just died. Who knows? Alright. Well, oh, I had it in that. That's why. Okay. Had it in sleep mode. That's why it wouldn't work. Well, here. If we have it in sleep mode, you hit play. Radio works. Alright, so, yeah. When the radio, when that cuts off, it stops playing. That's how it works. Okay, so put it back in radio mode. Okay, that's what I want to show. Sorry I goofed this up. That's an AM mode, so tune. That works. Put it there. Stereo light. Okay, you got the message. Alright, so I'm going to put it in tape. Let's hit eject. And then, of course, if you hit nothing. Nothing. And nothing. And the capstan's not turning, so I'm going to rebuild this and get to have a buy. That's just my before video. Alright.